There's no other beautiful, well, I take that back. There's lots of beautiful sounds. But the sound of the rain silently falling down, excuse me, after a stressful week at work, and then to see this beautiful little bee trying to get protection from the rain and the fireweed. And then there's crazy Maddie. Let's go for the walk, girls. With Shar Shar. Hey, Roo-Boo. Hey, little stinky butt. Maddie, stop. Aw, man. I guess there's another wasp. Maddie, don't get that damn thing all riled up. Whee! Maddie, what are you? Come on, Charlotte. Let's go, baby girl. Come on, sweetness. Maddie, what are you doing? What you doing, Mad? I'm doing Maddie things. Hey, Maddie, what are you doing? Damn crazy dog. Maddie, come here, you goat. Maddie. Maddie, move. Dang on, you goat. Charlotte, you'll get so wet if you go in there with that crazy hound.